Hey, what's up guys, Watch Review here, back with another video today. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the just newly released G-Shock DW6900LU-8. But before I get into the video guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button to see more content when it's released. Also, I will have a review out sometime today on this new G-Shock. Okay, so starting out, we have the box here, just your standard G-Shock box, nothing too special about it. 20 bar, water resistant and shock resistant. So, get in here. Go. Have it. What else is in here? Oh, just nothing. Here we have the tin can that basically every single G-Shock comes in. Open this up. Got your warranty card right there. You got your manual. And basically every single language you could probably think of. And the watch. There it is. Brand new, of course. Oh, it's two-tone too. So I forgot to mention, this is a two-tone color G-Shock. As you can see, I want to say it's like a gray and then a blue on the back. It looks pretty nice. It looks a little bit cleaner than some of the other G-Shocks that they have. It looks a little bit too complicated up in the face right there, but this looks really clean. I like it so far. They also have metal adjustment buttons instead of the plastic ones like you see in the other G-Shocks, so that looks pretty cool. It looks a little bit better, more refined, I should say. Like I said guys, I will have a review out for this watch soon, and also a help guide too, so you guys can adjust your watch properly and make it easier to find your adjustments. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been Watch Review. Peace.